Genius meat cooking trick everyone needs to learn. In a bowl, start by adding 500 grams of meat. You can use any type of meat you prefer. Here, I'm using a tough cut called colchao duro. Now I'll add sparkling water until it's covered. Then let it rest in the fridge for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, add 2 tablespoons of butter to a pan. Stir lightly until the butter melts completely. Next, add a drizzle of oil to the pan. Once hot, add the well-drained meat to the pan. Stir lightly and let the meat start to brown. This is the ideal point we're looking for. Now just set the meat aside for later. Add chopped onions, garlic, and bacon. Lightly fry. When it's nicely browned, we'll add some black pepper, salt, and a bit of mustard. Now let's add our meat. Mix it all really well. Next, we'll pour in about 200 milliliters of water. All set, cover it and let it cook for 10 to 20 minutes. The perfect point is when the water starts to evaporate. Once done, turn off the heat and add some chives or parsley, your choice. Now folks, you can plate it up and dig in. The best part? This meat is incredible. Super tasty, flavorful, and amazingly tender thanks to the sparkling water. Remember, the sparkling water is what makes the meat so tender. But don't cook it for more than 20 minutes. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. That was another quick dish from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs, see you next time, and thanks.